Most millionaires have 8 passive income streams, 8 ways to get paid while they're sleeping. If you work a job, unemployment can jump up to 10% in the next recession, meaning you have a 10% chance of losing your job, losing your main income source. If you don't have passive income, you don't have a job, you have nothing. You are screwed. So in this video, I want to teach you how to make passive income streams and let you know how I use them to make $15,000 a month.
Is it Brian? Yes.
Hi, I'm Giannino. I teach you how to make money, grow money, and invest money. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not familiar with the term passive income, it's the act of receiving money without doing anything. All you have to do is set up a passive income stream initially, and it should pay you for the rest of your life theoretically. This is a super popular and trending topic because most people want to quit their jobs. Most people aren't happy doing what they're doing now. They want to have a happy retirement, maybe provide for future generations. If you're one of those people, this video is for you because I'm going to teach you my 6 passive income streams, how you can do them yourself, and how I make $15,000 a month from them. This is not some unattainable goal. I'm not selling you something that you're never going to be able to create. Passive income is very easy, and there's things you can try today to create an extra $5 or $10 in your life. So please don't watch this video and think you can't do what I'm doing, or think what I'm doing is too hard and it's not possible for you. That's the wrong message I'm trying to give. I'm trying to tell people you can do it and it is easy, because I have tried and I have failed at many passive income streams, and I found 6 of them that work for me. So using me as an example, I did everything as I could to not work a 9-to-5 job, tried multiple passive income streams, and multiple ones of them failed. So I have done the research, I have put the time in to know which ones are good and which ones are bad for you and for me. This all started with Gary V. Gary V gave me the best advice anybody could receive. He said, if you have a passion, put content out. Just fucking put it out. He says that all the time. Those are his words, not mine. So that's what I did. I listened to him and he said, put out content for a whole year and see what happens. And I started a YouTube channel. Passive income stream number 1 is YouTube. Started this channel 18 months ago. For the first 3 months, I wasn't monetized. I didn't have 1,000 subscribers. I started from 0, just like you probably. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you would have been starting right where I did, making content, not getting views, not getting subscribers, and trying to figure out ways to grow. For the first month, the second month, I was growing slowly. It was great. 10 subscribers, 100, 500, and I finally hit 1,000 in September. But the thing was, I was just listening to Gary V's advice. Just put out content for a whole year consistently. Don't give up halfway through. Don't give up after 1 month or 1 week. See it through for a whole year. Great businesses don't even find success for 3 or 5 years. So the fact that I could start something and have success in 1 year was super appealing to me. Right now, this passive income stream brings in $700 a month, which is super low because I just started changing up my content. And the sad fact is it's not too passive right now. I have to wake up, make a video, send it to my editors, and that takes time and money. So right now it's not the most passive income stream, but here's how it becomes passive, because I stopped making videos on the weekend, but people still watch my videos and I still get paid. So now it's becoming more passive. I'm putting out less content, but I'm still getting paid every day from the channel. And here's where it gets interesting. This is where I developed my second passive income stream. As I put out content about trading the stock market, option trading, everyone wanted to know how to do it. They wanted my trades. So I made this product called my Premium Trade Alerts. And this brings in $6,000 a month. And all I do is give knowledge to others about stuff I've learned in the stock market. So this is option trading, this is stocks, this is charting, technical analysis. Everything I learned, the skills I learned, I'm giving back because people asked for it. I wake up every day, try to give knowledge to this group, and it is so rewarding. This is something I truly love to do. So I had the channel, they asked for a product, I gave it to them, and now this product brings in way more than the channel does, But unfortunately, this is less passive income than the channel because I probably put in more work and more time into this group than I do my YouTube channel. Passive income stream number 3 is those affiliate links. A lot of things you use every day, people will pay you if you tell other people about them and they buy from your links or they just buy from your word of mouth. The way I make money from affiliate marketing, and the way you can too, is you have to put in relevant links on your website, on your blog, on your YouTube channel. This could be Amazon affiliate links because Amazon will give you money for everything on their website if people click the link to it in your blog or your YouTube channel. So for my YouTube channel, I have a bunch of stock market books that I read, I love, and they got me started. Those are in my bio. But the funny thing is, once you click it, it will send you to Amazon. Once you buy it, I get paid because I showed you that product and referred you to Amazon.com and I got that sale for them. Here's the cool thing, anybody can do this. You can just take a relevant product, post a link on a relevant blog, and that will live as a comment for the rest of history. So if anyone goes to that blog, clicks to your link, you will make money. You can also look towards tons of other products, like I use Robinhood and Webull, and they pay me about $6 to maybe even $60 per person that I refer. So affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. Like I said, I bring in $500 a month from this. My 4th passive income stream is Airbnb. I have 2 rooms in my house that I rent out to people every day of the month. And this is a great passive income stream. This brings in total $3,000 a month to me. And the best part is I live for free in my house because I rent it out on Airbnb. So this is an amazing passive income stream. If you have a house, maybe if you have an apartment with an extra room and they allow you to do that, it's a great way to bring in money. The key here is you have to live in a well-traveled area that is popular for people to come to, or maybe it's popular for events that people are always visiting for. And seriously, if you say these words, I'm gonna smack you. If you say, I'm too scared, I don't trust anybody in my house, I'm going to smack you, because this is the one thing holding you back from passive income. And this is the worst thing you can be doing, is limiting your passive income streams. So here's why it is not scary to have people in your house, because A, you never see them. They're here for short periods of time, because when they do come here, they have things to do. They don't just come here to use your stove. They don't just come here to maybe steal your car. They come here because they want to visit their family, or maybe they have an event they want to go to. Number 2, the second reason why you shouldn't be afraid is because these are vouched for people that have government IDs, licenses, and most importantly, reviews. Most of these people have already stayed at other places on Airbnb. So you can just look into the reviews to see if they're a decent person or if they did something wrong in the past when they stayed at other places. And reason number 3 why you don't have to be nervous is because you can always say no to a person. You can say, hey, I don't really feel comfortable with you staying here. And you can just not accept the request to stay at your place. So there's no reason why you should not be renting your place out and making some money from it. Seriously, it's not as bad as people make it out to be. And my 5th passive income stream is my mortgage principal. So $800 a month goes to the principal on the house. So when I use that $3,000 from Airbnb to pay my mortgage payment monthly, $800 of that goes towards the principal. All that means is that that is money I get to keep. That is a portion of my house that I'm slowly buying back from the bank. So the way that it works is the more you pay off your house, the more you own of your house. So if your house is $100,000 and you pay $1,000 each month, it's going to take you 100 payments to own that whole house. When you own that whole house, you have $100,000 in equity on that house. If that house goes up to 120, 150, you own all of the appreciation as well. Unfortunately, I said anybody can do these passive income streams, but Airbnb and this one really requires a house because you have to pay off that principal, and this is an income stream from it. But this is good knowledge on the future on how to turn a liability, which is a house, into an asset. And my last passive income stream, number 6, is my trading course, my stock market for beginners course. This is going to be released in 2 weeks with the projected sales of $4,000 per month. I may be repeating myself consistently, but this is something you can do too. If you have a skill, or maybe even you partially know something that other people want to know, they will pay you if you can teach them that skill. Seriously, going to college is $40,000 to $100,000 per year. So if you can compete with colleges, you can sell to unlimited amounts of people. If people are willing to pay that much for a college, imagine how much they'll pay for your course. You will always have a market if you can beat the cost of going to college and learning a skill. I get this all the time from people that they learn more from me in one day or 1 week than they learned in their whole time in college. And most importantly, the skills I teach them about the stock market and trading the stock market are actually helpful skills and applicable to helping them make money in the long term. Just to harp on it one more time, if you can provide more value than a college at a lower price, you will always have a customer. You will always be able to sell your course for the rest of time. So just totaled up, I have 6 passive income streams bringing in $15,000 per month, and all of them you can do, you can start. You have no reason not to create passive income in your life. And here's the shocking part. I don't work 40 hours a week. I don't work what normal people do. If I take a week off, if I don't work at all, I just went to Hawaii a couple weeks ago, I still got paid that week when I was on vacation. That's the beauty of passive income. You can work 80 hours, you can work 0. You're still gonna get paid the same. And please listen to this. Please, please, please listen to this. It took me 6 months from starting my YouTube channel to quitting my job. 6 months of consistent work, putting out content, finding a customer, and finding the products they want to have. 6 months. You can do it too. If you want to quit your job, it won't take as long as you really think it will. Just please be consistent and please put in that work. If you want more knowledge, if you want more passive income stream ideas, check out these 17 passive income streams to the right of me. Hey, it's Market Moves coming at you, and in this video, I'm gonna go over the 17 passive income streams to increase your yearly salary by $220,000.